Now, first off, I know this isn't a gaming channel, I'm really sorry guys, but I just couldn't talk into the camera for 10 minutes. So I'm going to do what other cool people do on YouTube and put some gameplay over me talking. So hope you guys enjoy the gameplay, but I also hope you guys enjoy me talking about the iPhone 9. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, of course, there really is no way of telling what Apple is planning, and there could indeed still be an iPhone 9 on the way. However, here are 5 reasons why there probably won't be an iPhone 9. So, I mean, the first reason is that the iPhone 10 marks the 10th anniversary for Apple, and the fact that they're calling the iPhone X the iPhone 10 would mean that it signifies that. I mean, it really would make sense to sync up their line of phones with that anniversary, so it's, it pretty much means it's unlikely that they would ever take a step back with the iPhone 9. The second reason is the iPhone 10 came with vastly upgraded hardware, and it really has seen a huge facelift to the iPhone line. I mean, it's vastly more attractive and way more popular than any other iPhone. And Apple's chief designer, Johnny Ive, actually said on the announcement that the iPhone 10 marks a new era for iPhone. So from that quote, we can pretty much see there will be a whole new period of new iPhones that will see many advancements like the iPhone 10 did. I mean, this means it's improbable that Apple would probably release an iPhone 9. The third reason is that this really isn't the first time that Apple's used the X numeral. I mean, they have a habit of using it for products as they see as reinventing the product line. Steve Jobs unveiled the successor to macOS 9 in 2000. That was macOS X, the 10th version of Mac's operating system. It was essentially an entirely new product. It was built off the Next Step operating system that powered the computers sold by Jobs' other venture, Next, which he had founded after being ousted by Apple in like 1985, I think. And when Apple bought Next in 1997, it used the acquisition to aid the development of a more modern product. So this does tie in with the second point about making a whole new product line. The fourth reason is it's just plain confusing, to be honest, in my opinion, like to have a product that's named the iPhone 10 and then later releasing one that's called the iPhone 9. It would make sense that they would just release an iPhone 11 next, because it would just force more people to switch from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone 11. And final reason, last but not least, number 5 is, well, of course, the other completely logical reason is that they might just skip the iPhone 9 because of the same reason that Microsoft did with Windows. The number 9 isn't a particularly attractive number in marketing, and having a 10th version of something sounds a lot cooler than the 9th. The number 9 also has many negative feelings, I think, in countries like Japan, where the word 9 in Japanese is pronounced very similarly to the word agony and suffering. So that might even be a reason why they skipped it. So there you go, there is 5 reasons why the iPhone 9 might not be released, although I did really say the real reason why the iPhone 9 won't be coming out until now, and well, that's because 789. Nah, but jokes aside guys, I mean, who really knows what Apple's plotting? I guess we'll just have to wait until the next keynote, which is hopefully just around the corner from me releasing this video. But yeah, so thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, click the like button, it's greatly appreciated. And there's always room in my subscription box, so if you want to subscribe, do that. Just thank you so much everybody for subscribing. Any new subscribers always coming in, it's really greatly appreciated. Like, it's just amazing, 1,500 like plus, it's crazy, absolutely crazy, and I'm still growing. So yeah, here's to 2,000 and all the more. So thank you so much everybody for subscribing and liking all my videos and everything like that. The MacBook video is really going crazy right now, so thank you everybody who's commenting on that and liking it and even just watching it. Thank you so much. More videos to come, and yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.